Hey everybody, and welcome to Shopping with Shana. So guys, I am bringing you another Meijer must-do deals video. If you want to keep seeing these videos, please help me out by giving it a great big thumbs up. Leave me a comment, let me know where you're from, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Ring that notification bell, hit all so you don't miss any of these videos. Now all these deals are going to start on November 14th and go through the 20th of 2021. And we've got several freebies going on this week, so I am super excited to bring you all of these must-do deals. First must-do deal is a freebie and a slight moneymaker. The Jet Puffed Marshmallows 10 ounce, regularly priced at $1.39. Now you're going to pay that out of pocket. Ibotta has a rebate for $1.48 back on one. It's a limit of one time. Final cost is free and a 9-cent moneymaker. This is awesome. I'm super excited about this deal. Let me tell you, or let me ask you, do you guys do Elf on the Shelf? Because if you do, you know every year you have to have a snowball fight with mini marshmallows. So I'm grabbing my mini marshmallows so we can have our snowball fight, right? All right, so we've got a free snowball fight for our elves. Next freebie with Ibotta is Just Crack an Egg Omelette. Regularly priced $3.49. You're going to pay that out of pocket, but then submit straight to Ibotta and they're going to give you that $3.49 back, a limit of one time, again making it completely free. Now I got one of these free at Walmart like a week or so ago, and so this is a freebie for Meijer, and I think Target's included there, that type of thing, but great freebie here for Just Crack an Egg Omelette. Another pretty good moneymaker, we have the Airwick Scented Oil Gadgets. These are regularly priced at $1.55. You're going to pay that out of a pocket for each one of them. However, Ibotta does have a rebate for $1.75 back on one. It's a limit of 5 times. So you can grab up to 5 of these for completely free and make 20 cents each. That's awesome. So if you grab all 5, you're going to make a complete $1 moneymaker back. If you did not get a chance to grab these last week, you still have an opportunity to grab these. So the Cafe Caps Coco 6-count, regularly priced $8.99. There is a 3-off-1 in perk that doesn't expire until the 21st, so you have time to use it. Or coupons.com has a 3 back on 1 that doesn't expire until December 11th, so plenty of time to use that. So you could grab up to 2 of these if you wanted to. Out of pocket, you would pay $5.99, then submit to Ibotta for 4 back on 1. It's a limit of 2 times, and then Fetch also has a reward for 2,500 points, which is basically $2.50. Final cost is going to be completely free and a 51-cent moneymaker. And if you grab 2 of them, then you'll have a $1.02 moneymaker. Then we also have the exact same deal with the Cafe Caps Coffee 6-count, regularly priced $8.99. Again, we have a different 3-off-1 in perk that you can use. Again, doesn't expire until the 21st, or the 3-off-1 from coupons.com, which doesn't expire until December. So again, at $5.99 out of pocket, submit to Ibotta for 4 back on 1. Then also submit to Fetch for 2,500 points. Final cost is free and a 51-cent moneymaker. If you did the deal last week, let me know in the comments, and let me know if you like the product. I did hear from at least one person saying that they loved the hot chocolate that was on the last slide. So let me know if you like the hot chocolate, or if you like the coffee, or if you like both. All right, pretty sweet deal here on this 9 Elements liquid dish soap. So these are regularly priced $3.99 each. They are on sale for $2.49, but we also have a $1.50 off 1 in perk. So your final cost for one of these is 99 cents, which is really, really awesome. Great deal here, especially if you like 9 Elements. That tends to be a little bit more on the expensive side. Not a bad deal here, not free, so I'm probably going to pass on this, but if you are in need of toothpaste, there's a pretty decent deal happening. You want to grab 3 of the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste, regularly priced $2.69. The sale this week is when you spend $8 on Colgate toothpaste or mouthwash, you're going to get $2 off instantly. So you have to bring your total up to $8 or more. 3 of those would equal $8.07. So $2 comes off instantly, and then you can use 2 of the 2-off-1 from Smart Source 1114. Now the coupon itself is limited to 2 each, and I believe Meijer's limitation for coupons is 2 each anyway. So final cost is going to be $2.07 total, or 69 cents each. It's too bad we can't use one more coupon. If we could, then it would be just 7 cents for all 3 toothpaste. So that would be pretty awesome, but unfortunately with the limits, we're not allowed to do that. Boohoo. Great deal here on the Kraft singles. So you want to grab 2 of the Kraft singles this week. It's the 12 ounce. They're regularly priced $3.59. There is a sale going on, buy one, get one for $1. So you want to use the $1 off 2 in perk. So that's going to take $1 off. So it's going to leave you basically as a buy one, get one free. So $3.59 total, or $1.80 each. So pretty good deal on these Kraft singles. Next deal here is a pretty decent deal. The Nature's Truth vitamins or supplements are on sale this week of buy one, get one free. So you want to grab 2. Now they're regularly as low as $5.99. When I looked it up online, this is the lowest price. So you may not be purchasing this particular product. If you decide to get something else, it may be a little bit more expensive. So do take that into consideration. However, you're going to just pay full price for one and get the other one completely free. There's also a $2 off one in perk, or there's a $2 off one from Save 11.7. Final cost is as low as $3.99 total, or $2 each. But like I said, unless you're going to buy this specific one you see on the screen, you're probably going to pay just a little bit more than that because of the different prices of the different vitamins. Again, if you did not grab this deal last week, you can grab it this week. The Panera ground coffee, regularly priced $8.99. You'll pay that out of pocket. Submit to Ibotta for $4.50 back on one, a limit of 2 times. Final cost $4.49. And the Panera K-Cup coffee, which is regularly priced $7.29. Out of pocket, you'll pay that. Submit to Ibotta for $4.50 back on one. Final cost is $2.79 each. Now, I actually did this deal, but I did it at Kroger because the Panera K-Cup coffee was on sale, and I think I ended up paying $1.49 for the Panera K-Cup coffee from Kroger. So I skipped Meijer this week. It wasn't quite as good of a deal, or I should say last week. But if you're needing this and you're only a Meijer shopper, not a Kroger shopper, then you may want to go here and grab this deal. Next deal is the Folgers ground coffee, regularly priced $7.59. It's on sale this week for $5.99, and we have $1 off one in perk. So your final cost is going to be just $4.99 each. All right, I am loving anytime we get amazing deals on meat. So it's rare, but it happens. So this adaptable pork loin chops, regularly priced $5.99, on sale this week for $3.99 each. So out of pocket, that's what you'll pay, but then you can submit to Ibotta for $1 back on one. It's a limit of 2 times, so your final cost is $2.99 each. Not a bad deal. I plan on going and maxing out my 2 on Ibotta because it's such a good deal. We also have a deal on the Ragu pasta sauce this week. It's regularly priced $1.89, no sale price, but we have $1 off one in perk. And if you want to buy more than just the one, you could use the 50-cent off one, Save 11.14. Your final cost is as low as 89 cents. Next deal we have is the Dean's Dips, regularly priced $1.99. We have a 50-cent off one in perk. Out of pocket, you're going to pay $1.49. Then we have a rebate from Ibotta for 75 cents back on one. It's a limit of 5 times. So for one of these, you could grab them for just 74 cents. Now, if you are wanting to do more than one dip, then you would pay $1.24 each after that. Next, we have the Barilla calzone pasta. So you want to grab 2 of them. They're regularly priced $2.09. We have a $2.75 off 2 in perk. So that's going to leave you just paying 72 cents each. Okay, guys, we have a really great deal on these Klondike shakes 6 count. They're regularly priced $5.99, on sale for $5.49. You're going to pay that out of pocket, but then Fetch has a 50% back rebate. It's up to 5 times, so your final cost is going to be just $2.75. Now, let me tell you a little bit about this product. Fetch had a freebie a couple months ago on these, and my kids devoured these. They love them. And the great thing is they come in that little pack there. You don't have to like scoop ice cream or anything like that. You just set them out for like, it says 3 minutes, but it took more like 5 minutes to make them soft enough to eat. But they were really, really good. And like I said, my kids loved them. They wanted more. So I'm probably going to grab this deal, at least one of these, to enjoy with my kiddos. Next is the Hungry Jack mashed potatoes. Now this is, I'm just showing you this deal again. I had this in my must do deals video last week, but in case you missed it, these are regularly priced $1.19. We have $1 off one in Smart Source, $11.7. Final cost just 19 cents. And with Thanksgiving coming up, you want some pretty awesome deals. Make your mashed potatoes super easy and super cheap. All right, we need some gravy to go with our mashed potatoes, right? You want to grab 2 of the Pioneer Roasted Gravy Mixes this week. They're regularly priced just $1.09. We have a 50-cent off 2 in perk, taking 25 cents off of each product. Final cost is going to be just 84 cents. So you're going to grab your almost free mashed potatoes and get some really cheap gravy too. We have another deal on the Barilla Presto sauce. Now this is regularly priced $2.99. We have $1 off one in perk that expires at the end of this week. So out of pocket, you're going to pay $1.99, then submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back on one. It's a limit of 5 times. Your final cost is going to be $1.24. Okay guys, if you like Taco Bell, you're going to be in luck this week. We have a new in perk for $1 off 2. So we're going to grab some cheap Taco Bell stuff. So now this coupon, it's good for all Taco Bell items except for the seasoning pack. So the seasoning packs are like 69 cents or something like that, regularly priced, but it is not attaching to those. So you do have to buy something a little different. The next cheapest Taco Bell item at Meijer is going to be the Taco Bell sauces. They are $1.39 regular price. So if you grab 2 of them, your final cost is 89 cents each. However, if you're wanting to grab like the Taco Bell shells or something like that, that coupon is also attaching to those. So just depending on what you want. If you get into Meijer, pull out your app and scan the product and double check to see if that coupon is going to attach to that item. And that way you know for sure that you can get that $1 off too. Alright, so here is the final deal of this video. We have the Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. Grab 2 of them that are regularly priced $5.19. This week we have a sale of buy one, get one 50% off for all of your Tresemme shampoo and conditioners that's regularly priced $2.99 or more. So grab 2 of these. You are going to use a 5 off 2 coupon from Save 11.7. So your final cost for 2 bottles that are normally over $5 is going to be a total of $2.79 or just $1.39 each. So really great deal there. And also think about this, you can submit it to Fetch and it will go towards your Unilever bonus as well. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you like Meijer, please give me a great big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, ring the notification bell, hit all. Follow me on social media. I have all the links in the description box below. And also, if you're wanting to print any coupons, do me a big favor and use my link in the description box below and print from coupons.com. Have a wonderful week and I'll see you later. Bye guys.